Understanding the main event, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, the main event. This expression is widely used in English, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily conversations? Let's dive in and find out together. The main event refers to the most important or featured part of a program, show, or sporting event. It's the highlight that everyone has been waiting for, the reason people are attending or watching. Imagine you're at a boxing match, a music festival, or even a conference. The main event is the act or speaker that draws the biggest crowd and receives the most attention. The term, the main event, originally comes from sports and entertainment, particularly from boxing and wrestling. In these contexts, it describes the most anticipated match of the evening, the one that concludes the event and usually features the biggest stars or competitors. Over time, its use expanded beyond the sports arena to describe any major highlight or focal point in various situations. Let's look at some examples of how to use the main event in sentences. After several opening acts, the main event took the stage, and the crowd went wild. The conference had many interesting talks, but the main event was the keynote by the Nobel Prize winner. Dinner was delicious, but the main event, the dessert, was absolutely divine. These examples show that the main event can be used in different contexts, not just in sports or entertainment but also in everyday scenarios to emphasize the importance of an event or moment. Understanding when and how to use phrases like the main event can really elevate your English. Use it to highlight the importance of an upcoming event or moment, show excitement or anticipation for a significant part of an event, describe the peak or climax of an experience in storytelling. We hope you found this exploration of the main event both informative and interesting. Phrases like this enrich your English vocabulary and help you express yourself more vividly. Remember, the main event in your language learning journey is the progress you make each day. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning tips and tricks. See you in the next video.